These migrants from Pakistan left their country to look for financial opportunities and a better education. Migrants like this young man.
We have many problems in our country, and we are going to Europe like for better future. And so the lot of guys, they want to going for study for better life, because somebody don't have money, they can't do study.
While many here came to Turkey with the intention of continuing their journey to richer European nations like Germany and France, some wanted to remain in Turkey to work. But in a few months' time, they have found they cannot achieve the economic prosperity they had hoped for.
In Turkey, money is the problem. The country and the people are good, but I can't make enough money here. I have 5 kids, and I have to go somewhere like Italy or Greece to earn the living for my family.
These migrants are waiting to hear from agents who have promised to take them to Greece by sea, a trip that will cost roughly $1,200. While the Turkish government has increased the safety measures to avoid boat tragedies, the journey is still not risk-free. Many of these migrants are accompanied by small children as they seek to embark on a potentially perilous journey with an uncertain future. For Tan Chetan, I am Kokop Vershori, VOA News.